My little cat, River, has got a little piece of a lily she got outside, and she is having a blast. Get it, River, get it. Get it, baby. Get it. Oh, where you going? Give me my grass. Give me that grass. I get it. I take it. Oh, I'm gonna get it. She's eating it. It's a lily grass. I know cats eat grass because it makes their belly better. She ain't but about 2 months old. She's very feisty. We really do. She have a lot of fun with her. Oh. Alright, everybody, don't forget to subscribe. It's free. There's her little cat house. It's pretty cool. They enjoy that. But yeah, she's a good cat, man. We have a lot of fun with her. Get it, River. Get it, baby.